Hello, I'm Mark Saunders from Ferrovial Services, one of the 4 business divisions of Ferrovial, one of the world's leading infrastructure and service operators. With over 50 years of experience and nearly 80,000 employees, Ferrovial Services operates in 10 countries around the world, providing innovative solutions for the following markets: environmental services, transport infrastructure management, facility management, resources and industrial, utilities, social, health and mobility. With such a broad range of specialist services for both cities and infrastructures, being up to date in terms of innovation is a must if we want to continue improving the communities we work in. That's why we're participating in the Smart City Expo World Congress again this year, to learn about the future of cities and contribute to their development, and to share with you our vision of what makes cities more efficient, sustainable and functional. In our stand, you'll be able to discover some of the latest projects, such as Hefesto, a software to optimize energy efficiency; City, a car-sharing solution; Revive, a digital platform for reusing second-hand objects; Granada, dynamic waste collection, an application of data analytics to waste collection services; or Hasavi, a health and wellness program. Come join us in November in Barcelona, and let's make cities a better place to live.